you can see, I'm like so far from doing a scorpion or a needle, or even just touching my feet to my head like I was supposed to do in the last video. And I don't know, it's like one of those days where I just get really frustrated and lose motivation and just, yeah, I don't know, I really want to be able to do the scorpion, but as you can see, I've like hurt myself multiple times because I was like leaning too much, and apparently my lower back is just not flexible enough. I don't even think it's my leg flexibility, it's my back. It's my lower back. That's the part that hurts the most. Hi everybody, welcome back to my channel. It's Evelyn. In this video, I'm making yet another stretching for 30 days challenge. This time it's because I wanted to be able to do the scorpion, which some people may know as the dancer's pose, which is basically a standing up splits where you're holding your leg up in the air. I actually already filmed this video a couple times, but it was really bad lighting where I was sitting. So now I've changed to this side, and hopefully this is going to work out a lot better. This is my new room, by the way. As you can see, I moved to Stockholm recently, and hooray, first of all, for me.
Hooray!
Hooray!
For making that big move. It was quite challenging, but it's been really nice. So basically what I did for this video is that I filmed myself every day for 30 days, and I alternated between stretching my back and my legs. And the videos that I have been using for these routines I will link up here, so you can see which videos that I actually watched while doing these stretches.
Then she met me at the college. Her friends play my songs and they been following me. Yeah, I don't like to do that much explaining and talking. Just know she had coffee with me. Yeah, I hear you like pizza and dancing. Love that is not that romantic. Yeah, I don't have no time for no antics. Fly one, smile for the cameras. Oh, they like me now. Go ahead, wipe me down. She don't got a man, cause he ain't lock it down. Hey, do you think of me when I'm not around? Jaw hit the ground when you walk around. Look like art. 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 Shawty, you look like. I hear you like pina coladas. Like that, she not one for drama. Yeah, big smile, get it from her mama. Hey, please, that's your shoes before you get my Honda. Looking like, look like art. Hot hills, look like art. On it, look like art. Look like art. Look like art. Look like art. Looking like. Blessings, blessings, blessings coming my way. Wake up every morning like it's Friday. No, don't be looking at me sideways. You can get your friends, it's a party. All these girls here indie. Happy rest still indie. All I need is good energy. I don't know too many. Looking like a 3-day weekend. Hit it on me then, can't believe it. Oh, they like me now. Yeah. Go ahead, wipe me down. She don't got a man, cause he ain't lock it down. Hey, do you think of me when I'm not around? Jaw hit the ground when you walk around. Looking like, look like art. 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 Shawty, you look like. I hear you like pina coladas. Like that, she not one for drama. Yeah, big smile, get it from her mama. Hey, please, that's your shoes before you get my Honda. Looking like, look like art. Hot hills, look like art. On it, look like art. Look like art. Look like art. Look like art. Looking like.
go emotional. Why do I let you in? Throwing words, I let them hurt, let them under my skin. Where do we go? Where do we go from here? How do we wash away the last 4 years? How did you get so cold? Am I the only one who can't let go now? Even though we're better off apart, I wear you like a tattoo on my heart, hanging like a broken work of art. Used to be lifetime until you fucked up. Now I'm just a rose inside the dark, trying to figure out what's in my head. Like trying to put a needle through some thread. After the flames, still wearing your name. All you are is a tattoo on my heart, 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 heart. Is a tattoo on my heart, 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 heart. Blame on you, blame on me, all over nothing. Black and gold, disposable, could have been something. Where do we go? Where do we go from here? How do we wash away the last 4 years? How did you get so cold? Am I the only one who can't let go now? Even though we're better off apart, I wear you like a tattoo on my heart, hanging like a broken work of art. Used to be lifetime until you fucked up. Now I'm just a rose inside the dark, trying to figure out what's in my head. Like trying to put a needle through some thread. After the flames, still wearing your name. All you are is a tattoo on my heart, 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 heart. Is a tattoo on my heart, heart, heart.
As you can see, I didn't actually reach my goal last time, which is totally fine because I always preach to people that it's not about the destination but about the journey, because all of our bodies are so freaking different. That's something that I've noticed throughout this challenge as well, because I still can't reach my feet to my head, as you will see in these videos. And I've been doing these seal stretches and back flexibility stretches almost every single day, and I still can't do it. And it's something that I'm trying to accept the more that I do these stretches, that there are going to be some poses that are going to be harder for me and some that are going to be easier for me. I think I've always been more flexible in my legs compared to my back and my shoulders. And I think that I lack mobility in my shoulders, and that's the problem mainly for me. And then another thing that I've been thinking about is maybe the reason why I can't reach my feet to my head might be an anatomical thing, because my torso is actually quite short, and I think my back is quite short and my legs are quite long, and I think it gives the illusion that I'm not as flexible in my back, while I might actually be flexible in my back, but it just might be an anatomical thing. It's something that I'm trying to come to terms with, and I'm trying to not get so frustrated about it. But as you can see in these videos, while I'm stretching, I will get really frustrated and annoyed at myself. Something that I've seen along my journey is that, you know, I've watched a lot of different flexibility videos, and I see people doing these like 30-day challenges all the time. And I've seen people that have come from a completely, you know, non-flexible background trying to do a splits in 30 days. And first of all, like that's super ambitious of you to try to do that, but I also think that it's something that you shouldn't strive to be able to do in such a short amount of time, because it is quite a challenging pose.
Never gonna stand a chance. Heartbreak like a sad romance. chance. Said that you'd never come back again. Been 3 days, now you're back again. But I'm not your man, no, I'm not your man. I can blow your mind like whoa. Why be faithful when you got hoes? Drop top and off we go. We gon' pop off, that's how we roll. Your perfect face, not to mention your perfect body elegance. The way you move while you're dancing. Not to mention your perfect body elegance. The way you move while you're dancing. You say that I'm your favorite toy, but I'll never be your angel boy, angel boy. You say that I'm your favorite toy, but I'll never be your angel boy, angel boy, angel boy. Never gonna stand a chance, angel boy.
I just want to say, like, don't compare yourself to me at all. If you're someone who is just starting out with your flexibility journey, like, completely, like, don't compare yourself to me, because obviously I've been doing like gymnastics for quite a while. Like, I did gymnastics for 6 years, and then, you know, I've also been dancing, and I did some martial arts as well, and all of them incorporate flexibility in some way. So I'm definitely not at zero. I've gotten a lot of questions asking if I saw any changes in my height during my last flexibility challenge, and it's honestly not something that I've seen myself, but I can definitely tell that my posture is getting better and better. While it's good to strive to do your best at everything, sometimes that, you know, your best is not someone else's best. I also wanted to say, guys, that I'm going to make a list of all the links that I used and all the videos that I've watched for these stretching routines and where I've gotten the inspiration from. Like I already told you, it's Alivia and Andrea, but I'm also going to put the exact links so you can click on them and yeah, just do your own routine. And I'll also make another list of the exact stretches that I've been doing. It's going to be quite a long list, but it's just so that you can see exactly what I've been doing if you want to do the same thing. And yeah, I wish you good luck with your stretches and with your challenges, and I shall see you later. Bye guys.